First of all, take a look at this channel called Crazy Stories. This channel has around 4.58 million subscribers. It is fully monetized, and its estimated monthly income is about $11.15 million, which is extremely high. If you check their videos, you'll see massive views: 7 million, 22 million, 34 million, even 64 million views. Almost every video gets millions of views. You can see here, even 84 million views on a single video. There is hardly any video with low views. Everything is in the millions. The best part is, you can create similar videos completely for free. Yes, 100% free. I'll show you the exact method. If you can't create these videos for free using my method, you can dislike the video. But if it works for you, make sure to like the video. There are also many other channels doing the same thing. For example, this one has around 135k subscribers, and it's also monetized. It creates similar types of videos. This channel is also monetized, and you can see many more like this. So yes, you can also create videos like these. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to create these trending videos for free, even unlimited times. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll teach you a very simple and easy method that anyone can follow. Now let's get started and see how we can create these trending videos. First, I will give you a prompt. You need to copy all these prompts. After copying, we will use a Chinese tool called Claude AI. It's a very powerful and amazing tool that can generate highly accurate prompts just the way you want. You need to continue with the first email, and once you proceed, it will display something like this. Then, copy all 3 prompts and paste them there. After that, write this line below. I will also provide it in the comment section along with the link. I give you prompts. I want to create images exactly like this. Please give me 8 image prompts and 8 video prompts exactly in this style. Claude AI will automatically analyze everything and generate high-quality image and video prompts according to your desired style. Many people can create channels or copy content, but creating proper scripts and prompts is the difficult part. I will teach you everything step by step. I will also show you how to create videos for free and how to generate high-quality images, so don't miss any part of the video. As you can see, now I have both the video prompts and image prompts ready. Next, we will create the images, and I will show you how to generate them for free. Now, to create images, we will use a tool called Leonardo AI. It's a very powerful and amazing tool. Once you open it, you just need to select the settings like size, 9:16, and the model. For example, Phoenix 1.0. After selecting these settings, simply paste your prompts one by one. Once you paste all the prompts, you'll see the results. The image quality is really impressive and high quality, as you can see. Next, I will also show you how to turn these images into videos for free. If you run out of credits on Leonardo AI, don't worry. I'll show you an alternative method as well. You can use a website called PicLumen. It's a great platform where you can create images daily for free. Just sign up with your email, and you'll be able to generate images every day without any cost. Now, moving on to the next step, I will explain how this channel uses background music and how you can choose and use the right background music for your videos for free. Background music is very important for any video. So for that, we need to make sure we use music that is copyright free. To do this, go to YouTube and click on YouTube Studio. Once you open it, you will find the Audio Library section. Click on that, and you will see a large collection of background music available. You can select the music one by one and choose the one that best fits your video style and mood. Always pick music according to your content. Keep in mind, background music is a very important feature. By using the right music, you can create engaging videos and even achieve millions of views, just like other successful channels. So choose your background music carefully, download it from there, and use it in your videos. Now, the website I use to create videos is called Magic Hour AI. It's a very powerful and amazing platform. When you open it, you'll see the Start for Free or Sign Up for Free option. Simply click on that. It does provide some credits, but I promise I will also show you how to use it completely for free. You just need to select any email to sign up. Once you sign in, you can see that I currently have around 400 credits, which is a very good amount. You can claim daily rewards, and it gives you around 100 credits per day. This means you can get up to 500 credits daily, especially if you use a new email. Even with an existing email, it still continues to give daily AI credits that you can use to create images and videos. Now let's move to the next step. First, select the image to video option. I'll show you how it works. Click on Start Frame, then upload your image. After uploading the image, simply paste your prompt. Once you click on Generate, your video will start creating automatically. Let me show you again. I upload another image, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the video creation has started, and the results are very impressive and high quality. You can easily create videos in the same way by uploading all your images one by one. Now, I've created all my videos, and the results are amazing. Very high quality output from this website. There are also many other useful features, which I will explain as well. Now comes the important part. My credits are now 0, so how can we get more credits for free? That's what I'm going to show you next. Please don't forget to like the video, and let's get started on how to use this platform for free. Now, let me show you how to use this for free. As you can see, my credits are now 0. So what's the next step? I simply log in with another email. When I click on Continue with Email and use a different email, you can see that I get 400 credits again. After claiming, it becomes 500 credits. Now the question is, how many emails can we create? Obviously, we can't create unlimited personal emails, maybe 4 to 5 at most. So what's the solution? Let me show you another method. You can use a tool called Temp Mail. Open Temp Mail and copy the email address it generates. Then go back to Magic Hour AI and click Continue with Email. Once you do that, you will receive a 6-digit verification code in Temp Mail. Copy that code, paste it here, and you'll be logged in successfully. As you can see, I've received 400 credits again, and after claiming, it becomes 500 credits. Using this method, you can generate daily credits again and again. The best part about this website is that it offers many powerful features. You can create image to video, face swap videos, talking photo videos, lip sync videos, text-based videos, and many more features, including advanced AI tools like Sora style generation. It's a really amazing platform, and you should definitely try it. I hope you liked this video and learned something valuable. As you can see, I created these AI videos completely for free, just like I promised. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave a comment so you can get more videos like this.